Welcome back to Financial Freedom Journey. How do you know if you're struggling with your finances? In this video, we'll explore the warning signs that might indicate you're not as savvy with money as you think. From living paycheck to constantly relying on credit cards, these habits can be red flags for poor money management. Perhaps you find yourself avoiding your bank statements or feeling anxious about unexpected expenses. These behaviors can lead to a cycle of stress and financial instability. By recognizing these warning signs early, you can take proactive steps to improve your financial health. So, whether you're looking to gain control over your spending or simply want to understand your financial behaviors better, stick around. We'll provide you with insights and tips to help you navigate your financial journey with confidence. Let's dive in and uncover the signs that could change your financial future. Living paycheck to paycheck. Relying on each paycheck to cover your expenses can create a precarious financial situation. This lifestyle often leads to financial instability, making it difficult to save for emergencies or plan for the future. When every dollar is earmarked for immediate needs, even a minor unexpected expense can throw your budget into chaos. The stress and anxiety that come with this cycle can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling trapped and uncertain about your financial future. You might find yourself constantly worrying about bills, which can affect your overall well-being and productivity. It's essential to take a step back and assess your budgeting practices. Are you tracking your spending? Do you have a plan for savings? By evaluating your financial habits, you can identify areas for improvement and work towards breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your financial health and peace of mind. Accumulating debt. Accumulating debt can be a slippery slope, and recognizing the signs early is crucial for maintaining financial health. Common types of debt include credit card balances, student loans, and personal loans. While some debt can be manageable, high interest rates can quickly turn a small balance into a significant burden. For instance, credit card debt often comes with exorbitant interest rates, making it challenging to pay off the principal amount. This can lead to a cycle of borrowing just to keep up with payments, resulting in increased financial stress. The consequences of accumulating debt can be severe, affecting not only your credit score, but also your ability to secure loans in the future. To regain control, it's essential to track your debt levels and create a repayment plan. By understanding where you stand financially, you can make informed decisions and take actionable steps toward reducing your debt and improving your overall financial situation. Impulse spending is a common behavior that can significantly derail your financial goals. When you make unplanned purchases, whether it's that trendy piece of clothing or the latest gadget, you may feel a temporary rush of excitement. However, these spontaneous buys can quickly add up, leading to budget overruns and financial stress. For many, impulse purchases often occur during shopping trips or online browsing, where the temptation to buy something just because can be overwhelming. To combat this habit, consider implementing strategies that promote mindful spending. One effective approach is to create a waiting period before making a purchase. Give yourself 24 hours to decide if you truly need the item. Additionally, setting a strict budget for discretionary spending can help you stay on track. By recognizing the triggers for impulse buying and developing healthier habits, you can protect your financial goals and make more intentional choices with your money. Having a robust savings plan is essential for financial security, yet many people overlook its importance. One critical aspect of savings is establishing an emergency fund, which acts as a financial safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Without this cushion, you may find yourself relying on credit cards or loans, leading to further financial strain. Additionally, neglecting to save for retirement can have long-term consequences, as the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. This can significantly impact your quality of life in your later years. To foster a healthier savings habit, consider setting specific savings goals, whether it's for emergencies, vacations, or retirement. Automating your savings can also make a big difference. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, you can ensure that you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. Taking these steps can pave the way for a more secure financial future. Neglecting to review your financial statements regularly can have serious consequences for your financial health. When you ignore bank statements and bills, it becomes easy to lose track of your spending, leading to overspending and missed payments. This can result in late fees, increased interest rates, and even damage to your credit score. Understanding your financial statements is crucial. They provide insights into your spending habits, income, and any discrepancies that may arise. By regularly reviewing these documents, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make necessary adjustments. Establishing a routine for reviewing your finances, whether it's weekly or monthly, can help you stay on top of your financial situation. This practice not only promotes accountability, but also empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. By taking the time to understand your financial statements, you can avoid pitfalls and work towards achieving your financial goals with confidence. In this video, we've explored several warning signs of poor money management that can impact your financial well-being. Key takeaways include recognizing the dangers of living paycheck to paycheck, the implications of accumulating debt, the pitfalls of impulse spending, and the importance of having savings. Each of these factors can contribute to financial instability and stress, making it essential to reflect on your own habits. Take a moment to assess your financial practices and identify areas for improvement. Remember, small changes can lead to significant progress over time. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from understanding their financial behaviors better. Together, we can work towards achieving financial health and security. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.